So now we are going with the last, like we were discussing water transport. In that we are going to discuss last topic which was remaining in last video. So it's about pressure potential, pressure or trigger. It's also called trigger pressure, pressure potential or trigger pressure. So I'll just explain in a simple word. This is not a complicated topic. So if this is a leaf, right, on leaf we see some kind of cells. These cells are called as mesophyll cells. What you'll see, if this is a root and like from root then it move to stem and that all, so like water is provided to these cells, water, right? So of course everything has a limit. If they'll cross, so they might get in danger, right? So this means this water is provided to these mesophyll cells, but there would be condition where they will not be able to accept more water. So if I just make a diagram, if this the I've just enlarged mesophyll cell, this is cell, here you will see another membrane, and you will see a pressure is exerted like this. This is a cell wall. This is a cell, like this entire cell is cell turgid, like very hard. Cell turgid help in providing a rigid shape and a proper shape like structure. So what you'll see that here is the mesophyll cells and here's the water provided. So if we'll provide more than water required to the mesophyll cells, so it will not able to take all, so they exert few opposite like force like these arrows in blue color. So this means it's showing that they're crossing limit. So the pressure which is applied here, that pressure is called as pressure potential, and even it's also called as trigger potential. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Here also, like we also see a lot of different things, as like simply pressure potential, how much pressure we can apply to oppose that. So here of course if water is not required more, then we need to resist it and we need to oppose that force, right? So here the pressure is applied. I'm sure it's clear to you. Then so if I just tell you the definition which is written in our book, that's called hydrostatic pressure, which is more than atmospheric pressure. Hydrostatic, this means, if I just explain in a simple word, hydrostatic which is water potential, hydrostatic which is water pressure, that would be more than the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure which is 1 atm and written in mmHg as well. So what you'll see that atmospheric pressure, like hydrostatic pressure is more. This means water which is applying is more than the than atmospheric pressure which is present in our environment in air, right? So this means they're telling. So here our like water transport, this thing all ends. But before I end this video, I wanted to tell you a little more about another simple and easy topic is written in our book, which is water relation of plant cells. So like it's quite easy and small topic, so I'm not going to make separate video. Plant cell which have cell wall, as we know. We'll also see cytoplasm plus nucleus are also present. Thirdly, you'll see that they have vacuole. So if this is the vacuole, they have a membrane like this, the vacuole membrane, which is mostly asked in so many MCQs, either there's agar contest or like a lot of time. So vacuole membrane is called as tonoplast. So I'm sure it's clear to you. And if we just discuss about vacuole, the vacuole has cell sap. Cell sap is simply a liquid material present inside the vacuole. Liquid material. So if we discuss about solute potential here, what would be solute potential in cell sap? If solute potential is high, like cell sap have high solute potential, so normal solute potential will also be high, right? And their solute potential is always denoted by like this symbol, psi plus S represents solute potential. Otherwise for water potential we just go with psi plus W. So I'm sure it's clear to you. And solute potential is always negative just because this oppose. Solute potential concept was given in last video, I'm sure you have watched that. Otherwise solute which help in reducing kinetic energy of water molecule, that's why we always denote it by negative. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.